Isita will never allow you to own anything. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Asiqale. Half of all the oil that is distributed throughout the world comes from Iraq, right? Understand-ke mntomnyama ukuthi ngoMarch 2003, during the 2003 Iraq war, when Saddam Hussein's government collapsed, Iran, one of the most oil-rich countries in the world, was suddenly left without a functioning financial system. That meant ukuthi oil was still there, pipelines that transport oil was still there, but who would control imali that comes from oil? And so, since America helped Iraq to win impi, they then decided to no sizonsiza to handle imali yenu. Now the question you should be asking yourself is, if Iraq makes all the oil and Iraq sells all the oil, where does the money go? The money that Iraq makes from selling their oil to all the other countries in the world goes straight to New York, to a trust fund that America opened in the name of Iraq. The Americans assisted Iraq to create the Iraq Development Fund, a fund that they can use to transfer all the money that they make from selling oil yabo. President George W. Bush was the first president to sign leyo contract, sealing leyo order ukuthi yenziwe, and since then every single president esike has been renewing the contract, making sure ukuthi Iraq stays obedient and gives them le mali. The Development Fund for Iraq, DFI, was created in May 2003. Illegal bias yakhona is US Resolution 1483. Understand where is it located? It is located with Federal Reserve Bank of New York. Yebo, the money that Iraq makes from oil is placed inside the US banking system. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama, and let's follow the money. Understand ukuthi 165.1 billion of sales from 2003 to 2008 was deposited into the Iraq Development Fund. Imali yathathwa yayiswa le e-America, New York. Understand ukuthi more than 95% of Iraq's oil reserve went straight into the fund, yonke imali leyo. And additional money like 1,724,000,000 was frozen from Iraq's account, and then 926.7 million was seized. So Iraq has the oil, and Iraq sells the oil, and then when Iraq makes money from selling the oil, they have to take that money and give it to America, because they promised, they swore ukuthi they would never baphazamisa umsebenzi. For as long as they generate imali from their wealth, from umnotho, they will always give it to Isita. As of 2026, America currently holds 80 billion of imali yase Iraq, and whenever they ask for imali yabo back, there are terms, there are conditions. To prevent Iraq from abusing imali, America created the International Advisory and Monitoring Board. That board is responsible to audit the fund. They are responsible to ensure transparency. That means ukuthi America decides how much they give Iraq imali yabo, and they decide ukuthi where can they spend leyo mali as a country. So right now abantu base Iraq are trying to fight the system and make sure ukuthi they get back umnotho wabo, and make sure ukuthi whatever oil they sell, it benefits izwe labo. But because they made a promise, they promised ukuthi abasoze baphazamisa umsebenzi. Whatever money they generate from oil belongs to America.